Good morning, welcome back to another Designer's Den. In today's video, we are going to be talking about collections that go together. So if you're not the type that wants to think outside of the box and you like your things matching, which is totally fine, we have something for you. We are going to talk about the industrial collection from Aspen Home. And Aspen Home is a company that we've been doing business with for many years. They have a factory in Phoenix, Arizona. So we are supporting Made in America. What I love about this industrial collection is that it has so many different options you can play with. We have a 84-inch console. We have a 96-inch console with an option to add a fireplace. As you know, TVs are getting bigger. They are becoming more affordable. So to have a console option that will fit your 75 to 85-inch TV is always a huge plus. And what makes this collection complete is that we have the matching occasional. So you can have a very cohesive, unified look in your space. This is the gray finish, and we also have a brown finish. So let's take a look. All right, here we are with the brown finish. And the one thing I want to point out is that you see these wheels on all the pieces, including the occasional. They are functional wheels. And what's really nice is that we have this stop feature, so you can lock the wheels in place so they don't move. Also, I want to point out that the fireplace option is available in the 84 and the 96-inch size. So if you love this industrial collection, if you love the look of the mesh doors, which is also carried through on the occasional on the bottom of the cocktail, we want to hear from you. We want to see pictures of your space if you have this collection in your home and how it looks in a beautiful, cohesive space. That's it for today. We'll see you next week for Designer's Den.